Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here, another sunny day in Koh Phangan, Thailand. I hope everyone had a great weekend. In this video I will go over Chinese stocks as China is reopening full force. As you all know, I've been living in China for the past 12 years. So, without further ado, please hit the like and subscribe, and let's see the charts. We will start with KWEB, which is China Internet ETF, closing two consecutive dojis above the 34 area. This 34 area was strong support, then came resistance. Now it's holding a support, but after 100% rise from October lows, now two consecutive dojis, we might get some pullback. So hold your FOMO, trade the chart. If you're not long yet, I would wait for a day or two close above the 36 area, and then we can assume 41 will be the next resistance for price on the weekly chart. We are talking about weekly charts, and everything you see in here on this video and any other videos on my channel is for educational purposes only. Nothing you see or hear is an advice to take any trade or investment of any kind. And in general, do not follow blindly anyone on any social media, paid or free services. Educate yourself to become your own indicator. Baba cannot do Chinese stocks without Baba, and now we can see this trend line broke. Price broke to the upside. 126, 127 is the next level of major resistance. We might get all the way to this one and then some pullback towards this trend line. Price will retest this trend line as support before and if the next leg up, and we have all the levels to the upside and to the downside to manage risk. BIDU, China, Google, struggling with this downtrend line. Let's see, break up and above it. Then we can assume with high probability on the weekly 162 will be the next resistance. JD, one of the largest, maybe number 2 e-commerce in China, we can see 58, very important support, 68, very strong resistance. Only by looking left, 68 was very important support, then it became resistance, and now two dojis, it's two inside dojis of this candle. Now let's see continuation, bounce back towards the 68. Li Auto, EV manufacturer in China, very big car, very nice car, very good car. Now struggling with the 23 as resistance. 1990, 20 if you want, will be the support. Long above 23. NEO, no need to introduce NEO. We have some kind of a double bottom scenario of the 950 area. Now we want to see continuation above previous week highs, above the 12, and then we can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, and then we have all the levels to the upside to manage risk. If and when NEO will break above the 1260, we can assume that this double bottom scenario will validate towards the 1950 area, but no one knows what will happen. All we can do is follow price and use levels to manage risk. TME, Tencent Music Entertainment Group, struggling with the 925 area, some kind of consolidation sideways. 720 should and needs to hold. If we could get a pullback, long above 924. Why the 924? Only by looking left, we can see March 20 was the low, then it became resistance, and now 3 consecutive weeks, 924 is holding strong as resistance. XPEV, Xpeng, another EV manufacturer, another great car, beautiful and great car. Now let some kind of a pullback from the 13 towards the 9, which is the 50% retracement area from this uptrend, retracement 50%, several consecutive dojis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 consecutive dojis, indecision on XPEV. Let's see where price takes us. Long above 980, short below 9. Always do your own due diligence. ATHM, ATHM Inc. Bouncing, also double bottom scenario of the 24 area, long above the 50, the 40-60. Let's see if this double bottom can validate long above 40-60. Next on our list is LU, Lufax Holding, financial services platform associate company of Ping An Insurance. Ping An is a Chinese holding conglomerate, insurance, banking, asset management, financial, healthcare services, and much more. It is a very, very big company in China, touches almost every aspect of life. Now, LU, Lufax Holding, swing high, swing low, double bottom of the 130, now holding above the 250. I want to see continuation above 3 towards this red trend line, and this red trend line goes all the way back to November 2020, and it will not give up so easily as resistance. Next is WB, Weibo Corporation, one of the biggest social media platforms in China. I don't use it, but Chinese do. Now, if we take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, we can clearly see 2020 is a very important support. Look left, May, April, May, and June of 2022 held the support. Also now, let's see continuation towards the 2440. Above it, we can assume 31 and 42 to the upside on the weekly. Always follow price and use levels to manage risk. As you can see, no other indicators are truly needed, not even volume. Why? Because price is king. Everything follows price. Also, volume follows price. BEKE, KE Holdings, online and offline platform for housing transaction. Now, as you can see, 1944 is a very important resistance. We need a break up and above it, and then we can assume with high probability 2532, 2530 will be the next resistance for price. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please hit the like and subscribe, share with friends, hit the notification bell, and until the next video, stay safe.